Hello, I'm Tristan, and thanks for stopping by my Learning Hub. Today we are going to be looking at geometry. Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll look at the graph of sine x. So we'll graph y equals sine x. So there's one way you can do it. So you get 1 point x, say x equals 0, then you find sine of this, so sine 0, which is 0, and you get the y value, y equals 0. And you can keep doing this for all the values, and that's one way you can graph this y equals sine x. So I'll just quickly draw a Cartesian plane here. So remember, it's two axes, an x and a y, and this middle bit is the origin, 0, 0. And let's make it from negative 360 degrees to 360 degrees. And the sine graph would look, well, it would look something like this. And as you can see, it's not quite good, so I've prepared something else. So here's a digitalized version of it. And as you can see, the top bits are at 1, so 1, or y equals 1. This is the y equal part of the line y equals 1, and these points at 90, negative 270, and it actually keeps going. So 450 is 1 as well, and lots of other points at 90. Y equals 1, at negative 270, y equals 1, 450, y equals 1. Now, if you look at the bottom, negative 90 and 270, and negative 450, but we forget about that for the moment. Let's just go negative 360 and 360. You see the bottom at y equals minus 1. It intersects these points in the range minus 360 and 360. And where it intercepts the x-axis, where y equals 0, is at negative 360, negative 180, 0, 180, and 360 degrees. So that's where it intercepts the x-axis. So if you have a look at the graph, it actually repeats itself, the graph. So from 0 to 360, or 360 degrees, it goes once that, like that, and from 360 to 720, it goes again like that. And it happens on the other side, negative 360 to 0, it goes like that, and it will keep going on either side. So this is what we call this sine x repeats itself, and it repeats itself every 360 degrees. So from 0 to 360, or actually you can pick any other points. Actually, you can pick as long as they're 360 apart. So you can pick negative 180 and 180, and you'll do one of those, and then 180 to 450, you'll do one of those. And also sine x, well, just say sine theta, but let's make it sine x. Sine x is actually an odd function, and an odd function can be rotated 180 degrees, so any direction. So it can be rotated upside down, and it will look the same. So let's give this a try. Let's rotate this 180 degrees, and it looks the same, doesn't it? Well, it kind of does, but all the writing's upside down. But let's rotate it back. So So you could try this at home, plot the graphs, and surprisingly, cos x looks very similar to this graph, but I'll do this another lesson. So for now, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.